Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add topics to your Threads profile. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding topics to your profile tells so much about yourself to the people who visit your profile, which is very efficient. But this feature is not available in Instagram or Threads. These are only available in dating apps. But because of how good they are, I'm gonna teach you how to achieve the same in Threads. First, open Threads app and then tap on your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile button. Here, you will need to type your topics in a beautiful and professional way. To do that easily, open ChatGPT or any other AI and ask it to do that for you. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a lot of well-written topics here for me. Now I will copy the ones I want to put in my profile and paste it. You can also add multiple by placing this symbol between them. Now that everything is done, tap on Done and go back to view your profile. Now the topics have appeared and your profile looks professional. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.